Welcome back, brothers and sisters. I'm Braden. This is Lane Outdoors Academy, and thank you for stopping by. I know what you're thinking, guys. It's in the morning. I normally do my videos at night, but this is a huge moment, and I am proud to be here with you on this fight, during this fight, because we have tremendous news. The Supreme Court this morning, as of about 25 minutes ago, just announced that they're going to take up a major gun case. And this is huge, guys. I cannot express this enough. Later tonight, I'm going to do a lot more in-depth analysis of this, but this is breaking news, so I'm just going to give you the high-level stuff. But this is huge. They have not taken up a gun case since 2008, over a decade. And this one has implications across the country. This is amazing news. So leave a comment in the field below what you think. Give me some praise. Give some Lord thanks to the Lord above, because the Supreme Court is getting involved, and it looks really good because the Supreme Court is 6-3 majority conservative, and they tend to lean towards gun expansive rights. This is big news, guys. And like I said, later tonight, tune back in or subscribe because I'm going to do more on it in depth. But here's the gist, and just because this is awesome stuff. Okay. So the case itself is called New York State Rifle and Pistol Association, Inc. versus Corlett. Okay, so basically, New York has a law that they just passed, or they didn't just pass, but they recently passed, that says you can't really have a concealed carry permit in the state of New York unless you show just cause, or actually not just cause, the actual verbiage is proper cause to carry a firearm, okay? Essentially, New York says you have to show me why. So if you've heard in the news, like, the reason there's such a long time to get a concealed carry or a firearm in some liberal controlled states is because the proper cause, and then they drag their feet and it takes a long time. That's what's happening here. Now, the important highlights, New York has done this in the past where there was a landmark ruling that basically said, New York tried to say you can't have guns in the home, and the Supreme Court said, yes, you can. So now they're trying to do it in the public domain. That's what this is about, and the Supreme Court just took the case. This has gone through the entire appeal process, but it's huge that the Supreme Court took it because they haven't had action on gun rights or gun constrictions for over 10 years. This is a big deal, guys. Okay, so let's see here. This is the part that's so crazy. I'm sorry, this is less organized because it's just coming off the presses, but a ruling invalidating New York's law could imperil similar laws on the books in other states, setting various criteria for a concealed carry license. 7 other states and the District of Columbia impose restrictions that give authorities more discretion to deny concealed firearm permits. And that's what this has been all about this entire time, what you and I have been talking about. They use the left states as kind of like incubation grounds, like idea grounds, training grounds, and they infringe upon the Second Amendment because they have the support there. What happens is if it works and they do all they want to do, then they take it out and they spread it out to the rest of the states, and that's what they try to do. It's kind of like their little model practice zone. New York is one of these zones. If the Supreme Court comes back and says you can't do that, that invalidates 7 other states and the District of Columbia. That cuts a hard eye at the rest of the gun control movement that they've been doing in different states, and they get put on the back foot. The gun controllers get put on the back foot. This is a big deal. Like, I'm having trouble containing my excitement because this is huge, guys. This is such a big move in the fight for our rights in the Second Amendment because we can now take it to them and say, according to these 2 rulings, the thing you've been doing can't work. You can't discriminate people from getting concealed carry licenses just because you want to. It's a big step, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments field below. And tonight, I'm going to put this video out with a lot more organization to it, a lot more quotes and stuff. I just wanted to get it to you right now to brighten up your day because it sure as hell brightened mine up. I look forward to hearing what you think, guys, and I will see you tonight.